You might be struggling with weight loss. There are many ways to lose a lot of weight fast. One key strategy to losing weight is to burn more calories than you eat. However, not all diets have these effects. So in these videos I will show you 3-step weight loss plan to employ to help you burn calories and lose weight fast without exercise. Stay tuned. Cutting back on carbs levels down your hunger levels and generally end up eating significantly fewer calories. This helps your body to start burning stored fat for energy. Another benefit of cutting carbs is that it lowers insulin levels, causing the kidneys to shed excess sodium and water. This reduces bloating and unnecessary water weight. According to research, low-carb diet can reduce appetite, which may lead you to eat fewer calories without thinking about it. Put simply, reducing carbs can lead to quick, easy weight loss.
Make sure each one of your meals includes a protein source, fat source, and low-carb vegetables. Eating plenty of protein is an essential part of this plan. Evidence suggests that eating lots of protein may boost calorie and high-protein diets can also reduce cravings and obsessive thoughts about food by 60%. Meat, fish and seafood, eggs, plant-based proteins like beans are all healthy protein sources. Low-carb vegetables. Low-carb vegetables are packed with nutrients and you can eat very large amounts without going over 20 to 50 net carbs per day. Low-carb vegetables contain all the fiber, vitamins, and minerals you need to be healthy. Spinach, tomatoes, kale, cabbage, cucumber are all vegetables with low carbs. Healthy fats. Doing low-carb and low-fat at the same time can make sticking to the diet very difficult. Olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, butter are all source of healthy fats. You don't need to exercise to lose weight on this plan, but it will have extra benefits. By lifting weights, you will burn lots of calories and prevent your metabolism from slowing down, which is a common side effect of losing weight. Studies on low-carb diets show that you can gain a bit of muscle while losing significant amounts of body fat. Try going to the gym 3 to 4 times a week to lift weights. If lifting weights is not an option for you, doing some cardio workouts like walking, jogging, running, cycling, or swimming will suffice.